Do you want to see what $7 million will buy you here in Las Vegas?
We're about to find out right now.
If you're new to the channel, we're the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Landon.
And that makes me Jesse. We're located here in Las Vegas, and we've flipped over 300 luxury properties in the last 5 years.
A couple of weeks ago, we came to a property that's a $7 million luxury mansion here in Las Vegas, and it was still under construction. But today, we're gonna show you the final product.
I'm already impressed right as we walk up to the front door. This thing is obviously super nice, super luxury. Want to give a really big shout out and thank you to Jeremy Lewis, who is the luxury listing agent on this property. Thank you again for letting us come out and take a look at the final product.
He should be inside. I don't know where he's at, but we're gonna go find him. Let's go in.
We found the man.
What's going on, man?
Lost this place.
How are you?
It's crazy. Good to see you.
Hey, thank you so much for having us back. We came in when it was totally under construction, and there was a little bit of a vision that had yet to take place.
No.
Now that it's finished, can you give us the rundown on what this property is, where you're listed, give us the details.
Let's start from scratch.
All right.
It's very exciting stuff though. So we're in McDonald Highlands on the Dragon Ridge Golf Course here in obviously Henderson, Nevada, Las
beautiful.
Vegas. Yes. The 10th hole. It is amazing. It's gorgeous. It's huge because we got the trifecta we talked about a few months ago when it was under construction. We got the new build, modern.
Right.
We got 2 on the golf course, and we got 3 unobstructed Las Vegas Strip views. Nothing exists like this anywhere in Vegas for less than $15 million. We're here $7.7 million.
Okay, $7.7 million.
Yes, $1,000 a square foot because we got 7,700 square feet.
Wow.
$7.7 million.
Okay.
Brand new, like no expense has been spared. You guys are gonna see this. I have just laid eyes on this as you have.
Oh, really?
First time seeing this, and I'm blown away. I'm still soaking it in. As you can tell, I'm a little flustered.
Oh, we are too. The front door is insane already. We just saw the outside, the front pivot door.
Right. It's not me to be
We're excited.
Oh my goodness. This is up, down, left, right.
I cannot wait to take a look around myself and go through each and every room.
Yeah, I'm excited for you guys. I'm gonna step back because I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna make weird noises. I'm gonna let you guys take
So you're giving us full reign.
Yes, you have carte blanche. You guys do your thing, and then when I calm down, I will join you, and then maybe we'll do something.
That's fine. You heard the man.
Yeah.
Go.
We have this house to ourselves. Let's go see it.
Man, walking into this place, it's feeling pretty big.
It's feeling big and so clean. This place is really like a little bit minimal, which I really like, and it makes it really feel modern. But Jeremy gave us carte blanche today on this house. So today we're moving in. We're gonna show you guys every single room in this house.
Let's do it. So just starting out, this fireplace, we were kind of, if you remember from the previous episode, wondering what was gonna happen with the material selections here.
Yeah, this was the only thing that I think was done, is this smooth Venetian plaster.
Yeah, and well, remember there was like pallets of the hardwood here, or the man-made hardwood here.
Which went up there.
Which went up there, but we thought maybe they were gonna do the inside of this all the way up.
They actually kept it pretty simple, pretty clean, not too many colors going on, but they threw this really drastic tile on either side.
Which I love.
Yeah, honestly, sometimes we scratch our heads on really big rooms. Do we take it all the way to the ceiling? It really provides a grand feeling, so I'm kind of glad they did that.
Yeah. One thing I noticed, which we use a lot of LED fireplaces, however, those are on, maximum $2.5 million deals. At $7.7 million, do you guys think this should have been gas?
I mean, if I had to throw my 2 cents in, yes.
So obviously it looks great, it feels great, we use these all the time. It's a beautiful fireplace, but I think at $7.7 million, I would love to see a linear gas there.
That would be sweet.
Cool. Flooring looks great. We saw this last time, but it's super clean. A house this modern, usually they feel really, really cold, but I think all the stone that they used was pretty tasteful on the floors here.
Yeah, I mean, it is pretty, like all hard surfaces, it is a little echoey inside because there is nothing soft for the noise to bounce off of. That's what happens when you use hard surfaces pretty much everywhere. But they didn't go with like all crazy gray colors. This has actually a little bit of browns in it.
Browns and
kind of cloudy. The countertop has some nice variations in it, and then they threw wood in the ceilings too, so they mismatched some stuff, which is cool.
I love that. So we're gonna go do our take on it because we're investors, we're rehabbers, we're designers, so we have to give the pros and cons. I love the kitchen, but dude, this island, this could have been either double,
3 times as big,
2 islands, or this could have been way bigger. This is a really small island for this size house, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, you got to put like a big dining table right there to really fill this in.
Yeah.
But as I'm walking through, I love that they use all this matte black stuff, because we do that all the time. I think it pops against pretty much any color you put it back.
I think the material selection's great here in general. I really do.
Yeah. The farm front sink's really nice. The appliances, which we mentioned last time, which were installed, but they're all kind of covered and stuff, honestly look really great now that the Euro style cabinets are all in.
Yep.
And this is the piece de resistance of the kitchen right here.
Yeah.
This built-in matching cabinetry on your Sub-Zero fridge freezer combo. Such an upgrade.
Yeah, that thing is badass.
Really, really nice.
One thing I noticed again, you know, I love the backsplash that they used here. This is a really cool stone right here. But don't you think they should have kind of carried it onto this side over here?
That's a great opportunity missed right there to like just detail another corner.
It feels like the kitchen starts here and goes that way. This area feels a little left out, where it could either had a free hanging shelf across, or if they just would have taken, if they would have taken the backsplash, at least it would feel like it was all cohesive. So,
and with how much weird tile work they did in this house, I would have really expected them to do that.
Yeah, I did too. But beautiful nonetheless, great material choices. I think it's looking really cool.
One thing I want to point out while we're in this space, this grand room, like we mentioned before, there's so much glass in this house, which obviously you have to do when you're on a course with a beautiful brand new backyard and an unobstructed city view.
Which we'll show you later.
But there's a little detail about how they installed the doors that actually is really high end and really nice. It's this 0 grade in right here. Usually on our homes, unfortunately, when we put our sliders in, we're putting them into an existing house. So it's a lot more expensive for us to have to trench and dig the foundation up, basically to make room for the tracking of the door. But when you build a brand new house, you actually are able to do that from the start, and it provides you with this 0 grade indoor-outdoor flow.
Really nice. Yeah. Highly upgraded for this type of door.
I think if we peek our head right down here, this is the hallway to the master room. Push back and see how far this hallway is. This is like an echo chamber walking into your master bedroom right now. It's kind of a long hallway, but once you get in, no, this isn't the master. This must be like a secondary master.
Yeah, I think this is the downstairs suite. This is not the master, but that's pretty cool that you got a downstairs suite. It's got a really big closet and bath, got the custom fireplace in here.
And its own access.
And of course, more glass to the backyard. Big, huge sliders throughout the entire house. That's awesome here.
Over this slider too, I'm noticing, I think this was covered up last time, these are all retractable blackout shades too. So once you retract them all the way up, totally hidden, you can't even see them, drop them down, covers the whole wall. That's really nice.
Check out this closet. It looks really nice in here.
Nice kind of barn door style.
The custom closet build out on a home like this is absolutely necessary. We do closet build outs at all of our luxury flips as well. This one looks beautiful. They did a good job here.
I know what this costs too, because we put them in. This isn't even the primary bedroom. They probably did this in every closet. I'd say they spent between 10 and 15,000 on each closet.
Per closet, right.
And there's probably 5 closets in this house.
We were a little kind of iffy about the material choices last time we were here.
It's all mix and matched. I mean, the floor, this looks like they pulled it out of a 2003 build. It's like,
it's just the 18 by 18 inch square tile, pretty neutral, and then really drastic wall tiles.
Yeah, 2 of them.
What I love that they did though, is tiled every wall in here.
Yeah,
that makes it super
surrounded
custom.
by tile. The black actually turned out really good.
I like that too.
I do too, and chrome fixtures on it actually pop out too. If they put black on black, they totally disappear.
Yeah, and then we knew that this was gonna have a negative edge or a 0 edge into the shower, which is very seamless, very modern, and once again, something that you could really only do on new builds. For you to do it on a home that's already existing, you would have to trench out that area and re-pour it.
Too expensive.
So this is the secondary, it's not the master, which means we got to venture upstairs to find the master. Let's go. Woo.
Wow.
Really a hike up the stairs, but damn, they did a good job on this staircase.
It's really cool. I actually love this light too.
I do too.
It's not actually one of like the most modern things, but I think it's really, really cool over this staircase.
Really like it. Love what they put up here as well.
Is this tile?
This is a tile because it's grouted.
That's a tile.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're at though in this house.
Let's just take a look in here.
Yeah, this is the master this way, so come on.
Another long hallway into a bedroom. And they picked it up with some wood flooring in here. So a lot of different materials throughout this house.
A lot of different materials. You know, I like the this color wood floor in the master because it does warm the room up a little bit.
Sure.
But what I think is a little outdated that doesn't match a whole hell of a lot is this stack stone though.
I know, I love the fact that they're accenting each room and giving them some sort of customization, like a fireplace in the room, but I just don't know if that goes along with the rest of the finishes of the house.
No, I don't either, and then this like gray, green, you know, slab on top doesn't really match the browns either, so a little bit iffy there, but nonetheless, we're in the master.
Let's go see. I think this is.
Yeah, we don't even know still.
Another massive closet build out.
Another 15 to 20,000 just sitting right here in this closet.
This is pretty much the same footprint as the bedroom we were just in downstairs.
Is that kind of odd that you're the owner of the $7.7 million house, but your room's not much different than the other bedrooms of the house?
That is a little bit weird.
You know, it's just, is there a
not that they're
grandness to
bad,
it?
but it's not that one room that like King of the Castle sleeps in.
You know, bathroom's the same thing.
Yeah.
I think in the suite downstairs, the ensuite downstairs, the shower's fine and looks great, but I think upstairs in the master, a little bit of a missed opportunity cutting it short. I mean, this really could have came all the way to the wall, so it's a wall-to-wall shower.
They honestly could have put floor-to-ceiling glass too, wall-to-wall shower, and they did give you a rain head, but you know, I would have expected to see like a twin shower with multiple shower heads and body sprays, a lot more of actual plumbing fixtures.
Agreed.
But overall, I mean, this is still a massive shower.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and you know what I really love is under the cabinets as well. They got the free-floating vanities with the underlighting.
Yeah.
That adds a lot to the bathroom, makes it feel really warm and custom in here as well. So I do like that. So, you know, they've done an incredible job on this property. Whether our personal taste towards the materials are there or not, that's not really our decision. The money in this property is truly in the view. So let's show it to you. So stepping out on the primary balcony, check out these views that you got. Unobstructed Las Vegas strip views on the golf course of Dragon Ridge.
Absolutely insane.
This is the moneymaker right here.
And you're looking down at a very expensive, custom, complete backyard with ultra modern pool, negative edge on the far end. Honestly, this is a really, really nice yard. There's a lot that the buyer could still do with it too.
Right.
Because they did leave some open areas. Yeah. Before we show you the entire yard, over here on the side of the house, kind of tucked away, but still with its own view, is this massive covered patio area that could hold probably 25 people, seating for that many, and a fully custom outdoor kitchen.
You can have a pretty cool party out here under this patio.
Yeah.
A lot of space.
The thing I would say though, is usually when you have an outdoor kitchen, I like them to be close to the indoor kitchen, kind of that indoor-outdoor. Yeah. This is right into a bedroom.
Right, you have to walk all the way around the yard if you're barbecuing on the grill to get to the kitchen counter.
My only thought is, unless you have an in-home chef, then you want to keep him right here close to the kitchen. That could work.
Not a bad idea. So check out how big this yard truly is now that we're down here.
Yeah.
So much space. They did put a lot of turf in here for design purposes. I think that whoever buys this house is probably going to reconfigure this huge yard a little bit.
I think they left a little bit of a blank slate here, which is cool because if I were to buy this, I would put some sort of big covered seating area here, some sort of either Aluma wood or something that's really upgraded out here, so I don't have to sit right against the house to have some covered patio experience.
Yeah, and plus, you have a full view of the city here and golf course. You want to be able to sit right on the edge, whether it's a fire pit tucked away over here in the corner with beautiful seating around it. Something's got to be done in this area, but this is a very inexpensive way to leave someone a blank slate because the turf comes right up and it's flat ground. So that was actually smart on their end to do it that way.
This pool was only dug out last time we were here. Yeah. Now they finished it with lots of white stone, white tile. It looks beautiful. Super clean and super modern. This looks like something straight out of Miami. So that wraps up today's tour. We took you on an exclusive look of a $7.7 million house here in Las Vegas.
If you have any questions on this property, if you want to buy a property like this, reach out to us. Or if you have any questions on real estate investing, drop a comment below. We're always happy to help.
Till then,
I'll see you on the flip side.